Which Hermes scarf is Carrie wearing in the Birkin episode of Sex and the City? Where do we start? Let's gather some clues. She turns here and I can see that the scarf looks pretty small, so I think we're looking for a 45. Second most defining detail is this southwest pattern across the edge. Here is a closer look. Then once more, matched it to this detail here. Third most important detail I would say is this Hermes that goes straight across in this block lettering. So look at the lettering matched to this lettering here. Another important detail I was looking for were these orange leaves with a lot of different color variation. Up here we see a lot of these same gradients. She actually wears the scarf in one more scene when she gets home and it's tied a little differently. And now I can see that it's a scarf with some sketch mark details around the edges. And it looks something like this. Because Carrie is sometimes known for her wild fashion choices, I do want to point out that she has a scarf ring on her scarf just over here. Looks like this. Better shot here. I've matched to this one here. That episode came out in 2001. She happened to buy that new year 2000 annual charm. This H, which matches the one on her scarf, and this full chart is on my website. So which scarf is Carrie wearing? It's this Gaucho scarf by Katie Latham from 1978. It was only released in a size 45, but it was released in a lot of colors, such as green and brown, black and red, orange and black, blue and red, also this pretty green. And this is my ode to Carrie today. It's Brides to Gala in the nano size. If there's anything else you'd like me to identify, please let me know.